What's up with it, people? Yeah, my boy Frank stopped by here to show off the old, boy, I think this is a 93 coupe DeVille. Man, he clean. Clean. Hold on. Yeah, he clean. That's nice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I don't know how high I can turn it up. I just turned it up a little bit. Yeah, he clean. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Already. Yeah. Shit, I ain't gonna lie, Will, you see that good though. Yeah, you see that good. Oh yeah. Nah, he good. Yeah, he up there. Shit, yeah, he up there. Yeah. Nah, he up there. Oh yeah. Yeah, this whole clean. Yes, sir. That boy got people stopping out here. Yes, sir. Yeah, that boy clean, man. This motherfucker clean. Yeah, we out. Till next time.